In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way for you to find your photos on your iPhone. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking this video so others can find it. So the only thing we're going to do is to open up photos on our iPhone. This is automatically going to open up your library, and what you're going to do is you're going to tap right here on the left on the magnifying glass. And right here on the search bar, you're going to give your iPhone keywords, maybe a word, a place, whatever it might be, so it's easier for your phone to help you find your pictures. So let's say I want to find a picture of me with a cake. So I'm going to go ahead and type in cake. And as you can see, my iPhone is going to find photos that I have with cakes, any documents that also have the word cake, and that's going to be a lot easier for you to find the picture that you're looking for. And again, you can use all sorts of keywords. You can use places, you can use colors, you can use a year, a month, and that's going to make it easier for you to find whatever it is that you're looking for. Hope that helped.